ahead and video this right here. Alright, here. Against the window. Just hold on.
He flipped up the back.
Just hold on, dude.
Oh, this is the steep one or no?
I don't know.
This wasn't the steep one. No, the one that went after this one was the steep one. Was it?
All I know is this.
That's pretty
Man,
steep.
you're spotting for me, okay?
From what?
You're spotting for me.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Oh, was it the one after this that was kind of steep?
No, it's way up here, but this is pretty steep right now.
Ugh. That just looked like a wall. Can you guys guess what's over that hill?
Oh, no, video that going down.
Yeah, I saw something down here earlier. Way out.
That's what we saw, the rabbits and stuff earlier.
Yeah,
I
this
remember it being this bumpy last time.
We didn't come this way last time.
We didn't?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, our tires are here. Yeah,
Oh, that's because we're in forward drive.
yeah. There's the hill. Way up there. Okay, I remember this. Alright, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, just keep it going. If I want to put that on YouTube so you can put it as long as you want. Video as long as you want.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't remember the name.
You just gonna make a new one?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Rabbit.
Oh,
Stop the car.
Right there.
Stop
Shoot
the car.
it, shoot it.
Just wait.
Video.
I can't see him. He's right there.
Move up a little bit.
No. Just wait. Just wait. Jump down.
He's already scared enough, so just go.
Rabbits, they're more jumping than
Hurry up. Don't shoot me with it. Maybe the rabbit likes JCN.
Can you imagine?
He went over in the bushes, dude. Video.
Wrong way, Austin.
Wrong way, Austin, the other way.
There's one.
Oh, he's one up there. Video him.
This is so illegal. You wanna go up that trail?
I wanna go up that one. Heck yeah.
The rabbit's there and Austin's there. We're
What is
gonna
he
see.
doing? Obviously, he needs glasses.
Stop. He's
Hey, come back.
Dude, the rabbit's right there. It's just chilling right there.
Alright, here. You're still recording. Turn it off.
He's there. Rabbit's over here. Austin. Rabbit. Austin. Rabbit.
Okay.
Me and Manuel.
What is up?
Me and Manuel are basically poaching rabbits by a prison, which is basically over there. We're gonna tell you what prison because
In the
we-
mountains.
In the mountains. We're just